Magic recipe.
Let's make some magic soup. What should I put in? How about some stars? Abracadabra!
Wow! The stars are amazing! Wow!
How about a moon? Abracadabra!
Wow! The moon is fabulous!
How about a sun? Abracadabra!
Wow! Wow! The sun is wonderful!
How about a cloud? Abracadabra!
Wow! The cloud is amazing!
How about a tree? Abracadabra!
Wow! Wow! The tree is beautiful!
How about a flower? Abracadabra!
Wow! The flower is beautiful!
How about some wind? Abracadabra!
Wow! Wow! The wind is amazing!
How about some snow? Abracadabra!
Wow! The snow is fabulous!
How about some rain? Abracadabra!
Wow! The rain is wonderful! Wow!